Once you log into the RankZPresso software, you'll see all 7 different tools right here on the sidebar. Clicking any one of them will open the software for you. Now, the thing about YouTube is you basically need 4 things to rank a video and get free traffic. You need the right title for your video, rich with keywords. For that, we have the title generator software where you just enter the main keyword and the software brings you 20 of the hottest titles there on YouTube. Now you can download them all in just one click and then easily mix and match the words to make them your own. Next, you need the perfect description to rank your videos on top of YouTube and Google for free traffic. Again, one click and the software brings you 20 best descriptions that you can find for that keyword. Download them all in one click and you can create your own in just seconds. The next ranking factor for videos is having a relevant tag. The tags are a huge thing for YouTube, and that's why having a lot of good tags is really important. So you go into the tag generator software here and you can easily generate hundreds of tags again with just one click. Now you could select the ones that you want, or you could select all and download them instantly to add into your video. And finally, the most important thing that ranks videos on top on Google and YouTube is backlinks. Just like websites, even videos need a little bit of extra push to rank higher than other videos, and that's where backlinks are very useful. Thanks to the link builder software, you can get hundreds and thousands of backlinks in just one click. You could put your video code here and select how many backlinks you want and the keywords that you want for these links and press one button. Our minions will get to work and build your links within 24 hours. That is all you need to quickly rank your videos on Google and YouTube and drive lots and lots of free traffic your way. But this bad boy does a lot more for you. Riding on hot new trends can be your ticket to thousands of free visitors and take your site viral. The Trend Finder tool does exactly that. It finds you hot new trending topics from different countries instantly. Want to find hot new niches and keywords for your videos? Well, the Keyword Finder does exactly that for you, and in just one click uncovers amazing new keywords for you to help get more traffic. And the Video Rank Checker instantly shows you where your videos are ranked and what does your competition look like. Tracking your videos is so important, and this tool is just what you need to do that. We have put together all these amazing tools into one software to create a massive explosion of traffic and rankings for you and your business. And the best part is you don't need to download or install anything. No setup needed. This is fully web-based. Just log in online and start getting free traffic and rankings immediately.